Hi, my name is Dr. Arya Farjan and I'm a paleontologist. I'm originally Iranian, but 10 years ago I moved to China to get my PhD and then postdoctoral degree. However, 2 years ago I married and my wife is Chinese and her family they are in a wood business. Therefore, I also start working with them in wooden product and especially teakwood that is coming from Myanmar. As you may know, teakwood is one of the most robust and heaviest hardwood, which is very premium in making the boats and luxury yacht, and also at the same time for the luxury housing as a flooring, as a door material. Therefore, I'm here in their warehouse to show you around that what kind of material and they have and how you can contact us to get this kind of material. As you can see, they have a huge stack of the raw and semi-raw material, which is ready for production in each size and in a custom size. If you need, they have a very long and wide and also thick one, and also they can produce the shape, the size, and even the color of your choice. So let me give you a tour in the warehouse, and I can show you about and I can tell you about the teak wood, and also why teak wood is the best wood for this kind of stuff, for building material, especially in many places, their robustness, and also the quality, why is the premium one. And also at the same time, I can give you some information about how you can access and why our wooden product, why our teak wood has the best price in China. Okay, please come with me and let me show you one. As I earlier explained to you, we have different kind of raw material that is coming from Myanmar. The numbers you can see behind me, they are previously, almost 10 years ago, was imported from Myanmar to China, and now is forbidden in this shape and this form to be exported from Myanmar due to the sanctions and also because of the restriction that the Myanmar government put on the numbers, and they want export more finished material. So as you can see here, we have different type of thickness of wood, thick wood, and coming in the different thickness. We have 5 centimeter thick and also 2.7 meter length, and also 6 centimeter thickness, and also 7 and up to 8 centimeter thick wood, and it's very long. So they are very useful for making any kind of product, except even the flooring and also the roof and also furniture, any kind of product we can make it. This is a semi-finished, half-finished material for flooring, and also we can use for the walls. They are very long, 2.2 meters. And as you can see here, we have again a huge stack of the teak wood that already finished, semi-finished, semi-finished. Again, in the thickness of 2.6, 2.8 meter, in the length of 2.88 meter, which is a very long and very premium. This beautiful teakwood that you can see, they are coming in the thickness of 2.2. The color you can see is a natural color, and it already shows resilient against any kind of pest, and also any force of nature, such as heat and such as humidity. And you can see we even have a longer one with a length of 2.4 meter with a very beautiful natural color, and already made in the form of the roofs and also fresh cuts. I will come closer to show you also the quality of the wood from close, so you can see the cuts. Again, you can see even we have 2.7 meter length of wood in a 5 centimeter thickness, and also we have 2.7 in 8 centimeter thickness, and different kind of hardware. So we have almost everything for your need. You just need to contact me. Let me show you from close how this to look like. Okay, I explained you before, and in the last video we saw there are different thickness of wood that is coming from Myanmar, and also they cut in China or in the border. Here in this part, we are cutting the raw materials to the intended size. This machine you can see in here, they are the new machines that recently bought to cut the wood and also grind it to the desired size and also thickness and length. Uh, as you can see, this is a Chinese New Year, and because of this, the workers already left the factory, and these are the waste material, the parts which is already going to recycle it and use it for different things. After they cut the wood in the desired size, they are bring it here and put it together, and they are using the high quality glue to press it to each other and make it the larger units that are used to make the doors and also wider materials, wider furniture, or also flooring and also the roof. This is the horizontal press, and after they finished to widely from the side, they compress and also glue it together. They use this compress to put in top of each other and make a wider sheet, as you can see in here. Pieces together. In this machine, they are smoothing the surface of the wood by grinding it or sandblasting it, or two different ways, different methods. And as you can see, it's very safe. The waste gonna blow out at the machine, so it's very safe environment and up to the standard, the national standard. And again, after they finish the exposing the surface and making almost semi-finished products, they are bringing it here and they are cutting it in desired forms and also shape again. So they are actually making it ready for the building something. As you can see, the whole this workshop belongs to this segment. So they can cut the wood in a different parts, a different size, and also different thickness and different shape. The grinder has a very sharp edge that they are installing it and are circling very fast, and they are slowly putting the wood inside to make the mortise and tenon. And then later, when they want to joint it, they can go between each other, they get locked, and they are not using any kind of nail and not too much glue. After they finish cutting the shape for some custom wood, and especially for making the edges and also putting some details on the wood, they are using the very professional and also very customized CNC machines to make this kind of pattern, to make this kind of patterns on the wood. As you can see, they are having a lot of different kind of CNC. We have a lot of different kind of CNC in here, and even we bought some new machines, which make us to move to an even bigger place, and we are in the process of even expanding this workshop. So you can see in the CNC some of the works are already they are in the process. We are doing some adjustment in the new machine. I can show you. So not only make the pattern, but can also cut in the different shapes. This is very difficult to make it by hand. One main product of the Teakwood, one main use of the Teakwood is making the wood flooring. And for this reason, after the raw material come in here, they are putting inside the oven and they are drying the wood to make the moisture inside the wood reduce to within the 10% of the natural, of course, the percentage. And after that, of course, they cut the wood to this shape and they are making it ready for the next process that I'm showing. As you can see, we have huge stack of the wooden material here. Several hundred tons of the Teakwood and continue almost the whole this area, this warehouse. And yeah, you have different size, different shape, and also different thicknesses. As you can see, this is one of the fresh cuts of the Teakwood. In all time, for knowing how much moisture is inside the wood, they are smashed it to the ground, and based on the noise and based on the sound, the old master knew how much the moisture is inside the wood, and they decided to continue the drying, or just it was ready for the next process. Okay, this is the final line for the Teakwood flooring, and as you can see, they put the wood inside from the beginning of the line, and the wood is coming and getting changed and oiled. And
exported at the end. The most important thing in this part is the material we are using for this process. And as you can see, we are using the bona, which is the materials imported from Switzerland to China, and it's very expensive. But for us, the quality is more important, just the quantity.
Okay, as you can see, this is the almost the raw wood flooring that is getting inside these machines, and this is almost the final product that is coming out. The groove you can see in here, because we are using the advanced machinery, it could be customized for different countries and also customized for different sizes for different purposes. This is the beauty of the Teakwood you can see in here. You can see very smooth and almost perfect shape and also perfect pattern inside the wood. You can see. It's just pure beauty and also something can then last forever, almost forever.
Okay, I want to explain to you why our product could be best for you. Because we are at the border to Myanmar, our product has been legally imported to China and produced and finished in here. So it's much cheaper than transporting it to other cities, major cities like Shanghai or Guangzhou, and making another product and that you can purchase. So our product is much more competitive. The second thing is the machinery we are using here is the best one in Yunnan. The whole province, we are the number one. And the third one is the quality of the raw material and also chemical material we are using to produce the flooring and also the wall and also the other material, like a bona, which is imported from Sweden to paint the teak wood.